Good morning, everybody. It is, oh shit, I don't know, I don't have a clock in here. I woke up at like 5:30, so maybe 6:30. I don't know. I don't like to mess up my bed when I sleep because I'm lazy. And so I just, show you guys, I just sleep on my main, that's Marco. He's under here. This is my regular main blanket. Marco stole my cold blanket. He loves the cold blanket. I also got this blanket though, so this is what I was using. Isn't that freaking huge? 1 second, it's a surprise. I was wearing it as a cape. I'm so stupid. I'll put the link down below.